Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download resume files from ZipRecruiter to LinkedIn step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to ZipRecruiter.com. Log into your ZipRecruiter account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the resume section on the website. Click on the Resumes tab to view all your uploaded resumes. Select the resume you wish to download. Look for the download option, usually indicated by a download icon. Click on the download option to save the resume file to your local device. Open a new tab in your web browser and go to LinkedIn.com. Log into your LinkedIn account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. On your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button and click it. Select the recommended option, then click Add Featured to add your resume. In the Featured section, choose the Media option to upload your resume. Click on the Upload button and locate the resume file you downloaded earlier. Select the file and confirm the upload. Add a title and description for your resume to provide context. Click Save to finalize the upload to your LinkedIn profile. Review your profile to ensure your resume appears in the Featured section. You have now successfully downloaded your resume from ZipRecruiter and uploaded it to LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.